Hey, welcome to the Little Valley Ranch, which I don't know if it's very much little because it is almost 90 acres of absolutely gorgeous flat usable property amongst some beautiful tree coverage spaces as well. So let's go check it out. Hey, anybody looking for 90 acres? Boom. Got it for you. Plus it comes with a house, barn, and ADU. Come see me. You're not going to want to miss this one. Hey, welcome inside where you're going to find a nice little entry. To the left goes into the kitchen, and then the straight ahead goes into this nice open space with a brick fireplace there and a wood stove. Nice French doors that go out to your covered patio. Nice area here for a dinette area. Big open kitchen, which is really beautiful. Then you've got your garage, large oversized garage, half bath on this side, and your utility space for an extra freezer, refrigerator, or both. And as you come down here, you've got this office library space that's right off the living room with the nice door, nice and bright. Lots of area for knickknacks. Come down the hall, which have lots of extra storage here for you. A bathroom that kind of in the middle with a nice tub. You've got two nice sized bedrooms over here. Again, this is 2x6 construction. This is on a beautiful piece of property and just needs a little cosmetic love with colors and carpets, unless you love these colors, of course. The primary bedroom here, got some nice openness to it. It's got a big walk-in closet, plus this little office area right here if you want, or additional closet space, and a double vanity, and a big walk-in shower. So if you'd like to see this home, feel free, let me know. You will want to see this property. It's absolutely stunning. One thing I love about this property are these swings where you could just literally sit here, swing the afternoon away, and enjoy looking at your beautiful property. And this beautiful wraparound porch, which is great. You got one in the back as well. One owner, they built this property. It's a family ranch. It's a must-see. So if you guys are looking for some incredible acreage, just a few minutes outside of Auburn in Foresthill, which you would think that you wouldn't have this beautiful, nice ranch type property, well, look no further. You've got it. Come see it right now. Hey, thank you guys for coming over to visit this sensational piece of property with this beautiful acreage right here. Can you imagine what it looks like in the springtime with its all beautiful green grass coming through? You do have a little bit of a green still kind of coming through there with some water area and location there too with some natural springs, but the shop down there is great. Guys, if you're looking for this beautiful, spectacular property, feel free to reach out, because if you do not let this 90 acres go, if you guys want 90 acres just right outside of Auburn in Foresthill on Spring Gardens Road, well, I got it for you. Take care.